So if you did get the drawing that was set with the Proxy Graphics 1 and saved, and you import it in the Business Center, and you get the result where the feature lines have no elevation, I want to show you that by having the code set, it makes this process of elevating this line work very fairly easy. So for this to work, you need to have the code sets so that the links show up on individual layers, and you can use this option or feature. If you don't have this, another option would be to get the Land XML file and use the surface to elevate the feature lines, similar to the way I'm going to show you, except you would just use change elevation. But in this case, I'm just going to go to lines. I'm going to use the intersecting line command. The intersecting lines I'm going to pick by layer, so I'm going to come in here and pick the link that represents the top. So I can pick any one of these. It's just going to be the top link layer. So you can see it grabs all the top links that picks up about almost 8,000 of them. And then the lines I'm going to intersect are, again, by layer. And I can come in here and I can pick the daylight cut or the daylight. And then I can pick these ditches. You come down in here, grab the sidewalk. So we'll grab those lines, the sidewalk in, sidewalk out. And we'll grab our crown. All right, so we grab the crown of the road. We can grab the edge of travelway. And over here we can grab the gutter. And then as well as the back of curb. And grab this median there. Now I'll click that. And then click apply. And it's going to go through and it's going to elevate all this line work where it intersects with our cross-section lines, or our top links in this case. It'll just take a second to do that. And now you can see that we've got the line work is all elevated appropriately. These other lines here are the sub-base, so we would choose the sub-base links to elevate those if we wanted to. But that's kind of one way to elevate the lines using this elevate lines command, as long as the links are set, which is just kind of shows you the advantage of doing the code sets in Civil 3D, so that when it comes in the Business Center, how easy it is to manipulate this data and use it to create a surface or for stakeout or estimating, what have you.